my channel Teachers Training and Child Development. Hope you all are doing well. Especially during this pandemic situation, you need to stay fit and healthy as well. So in my previous video, I have shared you how to take online classes. There I got lots of response. Thank you so very much. I am very much pleased on you. I am very much thankful to you for getting so response for that video, and kindly do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Do like the video if you like it, and kindly subscribe yourself to Teachers Training and Child Development. Do hit the bell icon as well. This video is all about how to make your class interesting, how to make your online class interesting. So I will definitely request to all the upcoming teachers, those who will take the class over online, they must check your internet must work properly. So more and more classes you can able to take depends on how your internet is working in your home. This is the basic thing. Next, the preliminary step of taking online classes to the primary classes, to the primary students, pre-primary students, pre-primary kids. For them, I would request to all the teachers that kindly use props that may be hand puppets, that may be mask. You may wear mask you can prepare mask so that they can able to gain interest by looking in your videos over online classes. They love to see you, because you know one thing, they are kids, they are sitting in front of you for 30-40 minutes. You are making the class boring, they are feeling sleepy. This is the biggest curse for your profession, because if your students loves you, that comes your award. So the preliminary steps is use props, use flashcards, use abundant flashcards. If you can buy, if you can manage from your schools, or rather if you can prepare flashcards for your students. For example, you can use this type of flashcards, this type of cardboard flashcards. These cards will help you to teach very properly, in a systematic way. Because you know, if you are teaching weather, for example, you can teach them this is winter, this is summer, this is rainy. So what are the things you can also use? You can also go for using this flashcards. For in summer, what we eat mango. In winter, what we do, we put bonfire, we play with snowman. So this type of flashcards will definitely help to make the class more interactive, more energetic, more interesting. So the next step is how to take an online classes very interactive. Prolong 30-40 minutes, for example 8:10 to 12:10, an entire session of your per day class. You are taking constant subjects one after one. After 5-10 minutes break, again you are starting with another. This will really, I'm telling you, how much effort you can give, you will give. But at the same time, this is quite common that they will feel bored, and at the same time you may feel bored, because you know, sitting over phone, sitting over laptop for a long period, it will definitely create a nuisance in the mind itself. Because looking all over thoroughly to a teacher and gaining knowledge, because they're small kids, we absolutely are out of the track when we got introduction of these online classes. They are getting online classes, and at the very preliminary stage, they are very new with all certain things. So definitely they will get bored. But again, the tip is in your hand. The tips of health information, like tell him to practice yoga with you, facial yoga. They will see your face, they will get interest, see what ma'am is doing, so they will definitely feel happy. Tell them to take deep breath, release it. They will definitely follow how you are doing it, and they will follow you. That will be a very healthy tips for them to start their day, rather to get interactive with you. Do remember, do not be a one-sided speaker. Try to listen what they want. Try to talk with them. Talk individually. Mention their names individually. Call their roll number. just to take response that whether they are responding you or not. Interaction comes when you and your students talk together. So this is very important part of making the class interactive and energetic. Now try to do like for example, rhymes class. The rhymes class is very energetic class, but how to make it energetic over online? The thing you can use, like for example, I am teaching Johnny Johnny Yes Papa. So I am teaching here Johnny Johnny Yes Papa. The rhythm I am saying to them, they will follow to me. This is very common thing. Next you can share, for example, you are taking class on Zoom, you can share the link from the YouTube so that they can visualize the graphics over online classes. This will really, I am telling you, this will really make the class active and interactive. They will love to see the videos over online. So the next step of your online class is voice modulation. A very quick example I can give you, like for example, God, please help me. Yes, I am always there for you. Understood? The way the frequency you are going to show over online, they will feel interest. Like the story of a lion and a hare. Oh lion, please do not eat me. Then the lion roar, I will definitely eat you. I am feeling hungry. So the voice modulation will definitely help you to make the class interesting, and the pre-primary students will love to have your class. It is my heartiest request to the teachers, to the primary teachers, do not confuse in the class. Do not make the student confused, neither you get confused in the class. That means make a proper, or rather a prior planning, what you are going to teach, what are the contents required, what are the links it's required for taking the class. Please make a prior lesson plan of each and individual day and individual subjects you are responsible for. So please, if your prior planning is active, if you pre-planned your content, your subjects, with your chapters and all, trust me, there will no confusion left in the classroom itself. Student will get please on you, they will feel happy to attend your classes, and eventually at the end of the day you will feel happy too. So this is very important, to make a lesson plan. No matter you are online or offline, lesson plan is very important. So whenever you are taking a class, do not make any confusion. For example, I am teaching noun, I am showing lots of unnecessary things to create an example of noun, like boys, like girls. I'm focusing on plural, then I'm going to common noun. So this thing is not going to apply in the class itself, because I will never ever make the class confused. Even what I can do, I can seeing you for a long time, 30-40 minutes constant, it's really a part of your psychology as well as the student psychology. So what you can do, for example, I am teaching living non-living, so I can say that, can you see few non-living things around your room? Can you able to see few non-living things inside your room? They will see, yes ma'am, I can see a bed that I'm sitting on, I can see a chair that I'm sitting on, I can see an almirah, this is also a non-living thing, I'm sitting under fan is a non-living thing. So these things are very used to if you make an active interactive class. Okay, so this is very important. So I hope this video will definitely play an important role of making your class energetic and interesting. So please do like, if you like the video, actually kindly subscribe the channel Teachers Training and Child Development, because it's very yours channel.